Okay, so good morning, students. Good morning to all. I hope so everyone is clear with an yesterday's class topics. Yes or no? Any class topics are clear again? Will cleared or not? I'm speaking with you people only whether yesterday's class is clear to you people or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and also tell me whether video is getting recording or not. Video recording agatadri?
Yes, ma'am.
Recording alladari video? Okay. So what are the things we have discussed in the last class? We have discussed with an objectives of business communication. Yes or no? So communication definition, meaning, and the objective we have started. Objective start ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay. So objectives, meaning and definition, what it said means like a exchanging of the ideas or the opinion or suggestion to another person. Yes or no? So business communication, actually communication meaning has been said with a business. Okay. Okay. Like a communication here, it has been explained with the one second, student, sorry for the disturbance. Hello. one ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಅದೀನ್ರಿ. ಯಾರ್ರಿ? ಹೌದ್ರಿ. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. Okay. Okay, so we have discussed the meaning, definition, and the objectives of the business communications. Yes or no? So we were started with the meaning, objectives, and the definition. So here meaning and the definition, it has said from the viewpoint of a business viewpoint in the I'll explain madari. Yes or no? So their communication means like giving the ideas, suggestion, and sharing an opinion from one person to another person. Yes or no? So I have said in the last class, like a communication in the business will take form in the form of a formal communication. Yes or no? Formal communication is there will be no other informal communication. I'll ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ formal communication and ನಡೀತಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so there the employer will communicate with an employee in a formal way. Formal way daga ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Yes or no? Like it may be like a giving a direction of on a work, or like a giving some suggestion of on a work, and like a discussion about the goals or a object of on a business. Yes or no? Usually in business there will be a more formal communication than the informal communication. Yes or no? So and objectives. Yes or no? So objectives, the first one was an exchange of an information exchange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So exchange of an information means it is nothing but ideas or the suggestions, opinion from one person to another person. That is an exchange of an information. Communication, the main reason of doing the communication is for exchanging of an ideas. Yes or no? Communication ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ like it may be for the ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ನ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ communication. Yes or no? So communication, the reason behind doing the communication is for exchanging of an information. Yes or no? So that is an exchanging of an information is the main object of an communication. Communication da mattೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ರಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಿರ್ತದೆ communication. Cooking also we will do with an communication. Yes or no? How to do palav. Yes or no? Palav ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ there with the communication only the cooking work will be happen. Yes or no? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾತ್ರೆದ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? So exchanging of an information is the main object of a business communication. The reason behind doing the communication is for exchanging of an information. The next one is achievement of organizational goals. Yes or no? So achievement of an organization goal. In order to achieve the organization goal, the employer has to communicate with an employee. Yes or no? Nine an example got ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾನು what example I gave for achieving the organizational goals? ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ explain ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾನು? Anyone? What example I gave to this point while explaining? I'm speaking with you people only. You have to answer me. Class ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀನ್ class ಕೇಳೇ ಅದೀರಿ. Yes or no? ಸುಮ್ಮಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳು, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಹಾಫು ಆಡಿಯೋನು ಹಾಫು, ನಾವು ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. Yes or no? Tell me, achievement of organization goal. In order to achieve the organizational goal, what things should be done? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
Increasing the sales, ma'am.
Increasing the
Sales. Expand the business.
expanding the business, increasing the sales. These and all are the goals of a business. Okay, as you are telling, no, increasing the sales. Sales increase ಮಾಡೋದು organization goal ಆಗೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ expand ಮಾಡೋದು organization goal ಆಗೈತಿ. ಆ goal ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ achieve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? How the business should achieve those goals? ಹೆಂಗ್ achieve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ? It's
By communicating.
By communicating with an by communicating
Place where we want to expand our business.
with whom the manager has to communicate, with whom the manager has to communicate. Manager himself can attain that achieve that goal. Manager obne achieve madak agtadri adu goal na? If he says
No ma'am, where the manager want to open his branch, he will communicate there with the peoples
with the
who are interested to open. Yeah.
No, madam, we should communicate with the employees here.
Yeah. In any goal agitandre, any organization goal, the employer himself cannot achieve that one. Yes or no? Now obne ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆ goal na obne achieve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? He has to communicate that goal with an employees. Okay, yes or no? All together they can achieve that goal. Yes or no? ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ that can be achieved only by communicating with an employees and only by communicating and the directing the employees to achieve that goal. Yes or no? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ push up ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. He has to motivate. Yes or no? Without motivation it cannot be happen. Yes or no? A motivation also will take place through a communication only. Yes or no? Motivation ಆಗ್ತದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು, it is not an action work. Yes or no? Action ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. He has to motivate. Yes or no? So by through a motivation or through a general communication and by directing and by giving the training or by doing all those things, the business can achieve the goals. Yes or no? Next one is directing the subordinates. Directing the subordinates for the work. Yes or no? Work na heng ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, heng efficient ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, how he can complete that work within a given time. So all this will happen only by directing the subordinates. Yes or no? Targets adu irtavri. Yes or no? I do like still you are in the in a interview adu ಏನು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, like you don't know the like a job process, but like in relation or it may be in your home or it may be your cousins and all will be doing the job. Orga nodri, like there will be a target for 1 month the target irtadri, so they have to complete the target within that month. Yes or no? If they are not completing, how the manager will be doing the calls? ಹೀಗಂತೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅದು ನಡೆಯತ್ತಿರ್ತಾವು, ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೌ ಆಫನ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ದಟ್. ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮುಗಿತೇನ್ರಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 10 to 20 calls the manager will be doing to his employees for asking whether he have achieved that goal or a target or not. Yes or no? So directing the subordinates to achieve the targets or to complete the work with an efficiently. Yes or no? Or it may be the giving the direction to perform the work. This will happen only through a communication. Yes or no? Next one is motivating the employees. Yes or no? Motivational. So motivational can be done with by giving a good or a handsome salary to an employees, and also by solving his personal problems. Yes or no? So motivating hang ಮಾಡೋದು, motivational speech ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, and motivation can be done with 2 types, like with a financial help and by doing with a non-financial help. Financial help ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by giving a handsome salary to an employees, and also non-financial help ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by solving their personal problems. Yes or no? Employee welfare society ಅದು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, employee welfare associations ಅದು. Yes or no? ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. Okay, increase the efficiency. So employees efficiency can be increased by giving the training and also giving the knowledge about the updated technology. Yes or no? ಈಗ efficiency increasing ಅಂದ್ರೆ like increasing the work performance of an employee. Yes or no? ವರ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ the business has to adopt the new technologies. Yes or no? New technology na adopt ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, and also he has to give a training to an employee to how to use those technology which has been adopted. Yes or no? ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ತಂದಿವಿ, ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಈ ಮಷಿನರಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? He has to give the training to an employee how to use and how to do the work by using that machineries. Yes or no? Next one is improves the job satisfaction. How that job satisfaction, when the employee will become a satisfaction in the job? Employee ಯಾವಾಗ ತನ್ನ ಜಾಬ್ ನಾ ಮಾಡತಿರೋ ಜಾಬ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? When the employee will get a satisfaction in his work. ಯಾವಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಚಲೋ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ.
When he gets to work which he is interested in.
Okay, when he gets the work in which work he was interested. Okay. Next.
And good salary.
Okay, good salary. Next point. When the employer treats all the employees in a same way, as a similar agi, as a without doing any discrimination, and also giving a same opportunity, like an equal opportunity all the employees. Yes, and also allowing the employees to discuss their or express their opinion or a suggestion to an employer. Yes or no? Employee gonna equal agi treat ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ employee ಗೆ giving a chance to share his opinion regarding this goals ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, objectives ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವಾಗ employees ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ okay, so he will feel that work environment is good. Instead, yesterday in the last class only I said salary ಗಿಂತ work environment ಚಲೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. Yes or no? Even salary ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ, but work environment should be a very good. Then only the employee will be satisfied in his job. Work environment ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಇದ್ದು ಚಲೋ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಬರತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? You have seen or you might have heard. Yes or no? So there are some situations where they will be getting a good salary, but the work environment will be not good. Heavy hectic irodu, heavy target irodu, heavy pressure inda look at the employee will quit the job. Yes or no? Salary doesn't matter. Salary, a single thing will doesn't matter, that employee should get a satisfaction his job. Yes or no? Employees job ne satisfaction ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ salary ಅಷ್ಟೇ matter ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Even he should be satisfied with the work environment also. Work environment friendly ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes or no? The friendly work environment ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, and the treating the all the employees in an equal way, and giving the chance to the employees to participate in the meeting, and also giving a chance to employees to share his opinion, or giving a suggestion to towards the target or towards that goal and all. Yes or no? Then only the employee will be satisfied. Next is attracting the customers. How a salesman will attract the customers? Salesman, no? How we will attract the customers for his product? Product ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ customers ನ attract ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. How the customer
Good quality product with a lower price.
Good product with a lower price. Okay, so the customer he have not used that product only. On a product use madilri. On a product use madilla. Before selling,
By his marketing skills, no?
Before reaching the product to on a customer's hand, customer ಕೈಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು a salesman has to give some information about the product. Yes or no? Product information na ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? With that use ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು he should be having some knowledge regarding that product. Yes or no? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when the salesman will communicate with the customers regarding that product. Yes or no? So as you are a marketing students, you will be knowing the communication is very important for the marketing field. Yes or no? Madhuri. Yes or no? You might have been seen there will be a few sales people, they will ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಾಗೇನೆ customers ನ ಮೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Yes or no? A few people will have that quality. Yes or no? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. There will be some, not only this marketing field, ಬೇರೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. We will not get bored only. Yes or no? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋರೆ ಅನ್ಸೋದಿಲ್ರಿ. We will be feeling like ಇನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. It's often a communication. ಆ ತರ communication ಹಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? So attracting the customers ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the salesman has to give the he has to explain, or he have to give the information about a product to a customer. So a product information ಕೊಡುವಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ a customer ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ he has to buy that product. Yes or no? A product na buy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ he should get that feel. Yes or no? That is known as an attracting customers. Next is educate and train the employees. Yes or no? So giving a training and educating the employees with regarding to work. Yes or no? Without training, the employee will be not knowing how to perform the work. Yes or no? ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತದರಿ. 6 month probationary period ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. To go for any job, there will be a 6 month of a probationary period. Probationary period is nothing but a training period. Yes or no? 6 months they will get a training regarding the work. Yes or no? The training will take place through communication only. Adu ಮೂಕ ಅಭಿನಯ ಇರ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ? No, the trainee will explain, or trainee will educate the employer how to use the machinery ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ how to perform the work ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Yes or no? So last year ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗೂನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀ. For 1 week we have learned how to take the classes in the Zoom. Zoom ನಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು and ಹೆಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, all these things we have learned for a week in the during that last year. So last year ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಈ year we are taking without anyone's help. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ Zoom ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್, Zoom ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು Zoom ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ even the PPT whatever we are like a share screen ಇರ್ಬೋದು. even ನನ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ share screen ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. 2 people are visible along with me, Kenchappa and Lakshmi Patil. Yes, sir. Only my like video should be like displayed on the screen, but your idunu display agatadu. And like still idon solve problem hai adu. Okay, so educating and training the employees with regarding to on a work. Okay, clear? Clear, I3? Clear or not, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Only for Jai it is clear, getting clear, not for others. Adiri ilri 31 jana adiri. Hand raise option none, like only like hand raise ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು the people who have raised the hand ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so we will discuss upon characteristics of communication. Clear no objectives, the main reason behind communication edak ಮಾಡ್ತಾರು. Okay, exchanging of ideas ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it may be like giving for an training to an employees ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it may be like attracting the customers ಇರ್ಬೋದು. There and all the communication is the important. Yes or no? The reason behind the communication, why we will do the communication. Okay, so the next concept is characteristics of communications. The first characteristics are 2 or more persons. 2 or more persons. The characteristics of the communication, the first is 2 or more persons. So 2 or more persons means what?
When there are 2 or more persons involved in communicating, then we can communicate.
When 2 or more persons involved in the communications. Yes or no? So as I've said in the last class only, that for the communication there is a required of 2 persons. Yes or no? Who are those 2 persons? For the
Sender and communicator, receiver and communicator.
the receiver and the communicator. Yes or no? Okay, it's not coming on. So for the characteristics of communication are the 2 or more persons. So for the communication there is a required of 2 person. One is a communicator, or one is communicator and the receiver. Sender annodkinta communicator anta use ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, the first one is a communicator, another one is a receiver. Yes or no? So without a one person it is not in a communication. Yes or no? Without a one person, one way communication ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅದು. Yes or no? To be a communication effective ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ there should be 2 persons. Yes or no? Now I'm explaining to you people. Yes or no? ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. So this is a one way communication. When you people will reply for that one. Yes or no? Reply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ okay, so that is an effective communication that you have understood, or like something that okay, you have receiving my communication. Yes or no? So 2 or more persons required in the communication. One is a communicator, another one is a receiver. Okay, so next one is exchange of ideas. Communication ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ? What will be taking place in the communication? Communicate ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ take place ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ? There will be exchange of any ideas or the information. Yes or no? There will be no exchange of any goods or the services. Yes or no? Another goods or service exchange ಆಗ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ? No, there will be exchange of ideas and the information. The next one is mutual understanding. Mutual understanding ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when the communicator will communicate, no, communicator communicate ಮಾಡುವಾಗ the receiver also should receive in a same way. Yes or no? So he should understand what the communicator is speaking. Okay, then only that communication will be effective. Mutual understanding. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಏನ್ communicate ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, in the same way if you people are receive. Okay, same receive ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ like that communication will be effective. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ, if you are not understanding that communication properly, then that communication will be not effective. Okay, then the next one is direct and the indirect communication. So direct communication ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ face to face communication. Yes or no? Face to face communication. So video like a video call ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it may be like a meetings ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or it may be like a interview ಇರ್ಬೋದು. All those are the face to face communication. Direct communication. Indirect communication on the telephone calls, mails, all those are the indirect communication. So direct communication ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ face to face communication, and the indirect communication ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it may be like a telephone calls, or it may be like a mail or a letter. All those are the indirect communication. Okay, the next one is continuous process. What is meant by continuous process? Communicate how the communication is in a continuous process. How the communication is in a continuous process. Tell me.
Ma'am, if you ask something and then I will reply for it, it is a continuous process.
When I ask you something, you will give a reply to me. That is a continuous process. Yeah. So continuous process ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ like I'm communicating to you people now. Okay, you people are understanding. Yes or no? When you reply to me, yes or no? It is a continuous communicating, receiving, giving, understanding, giving the feedback. All these are the continuous process. Yes or no? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It is not a continuous process. Yes or no? Hardly two or one people are replying. Yes or no? ತಿಳಿಲಾತದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. I don't know what intention you people are having in your mind. So communication is a continuous process. So continuous process means the communicator will be communicating, and the receiver will receive that communication. He will understand, and after understanding, he will give a reply to a communicator. So it is a continuous process. The next one is use of words as well as symbols. No? So communication bari like it should not be through a oral nagadra ashte communication, written nagadra ashte communication ante enadru rules adare. That communication should be in through oral, or it should be on a written naga irbekante enilla. Yes or no? Even communication can be done through an oral, like through a symbols also. Yes or no? You will be sending that idu WhatsApp naga adu use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ರಿ, emojis and all. Yes or no? Crying face, sad face. Yes or no? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I'm crying ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. If you send that image, so the receiver will comes to know that okay, this person is crying now. Okay, when you send the laughing face, so that person will comes to know that okay, this person is laughing. Yes or no? So for communication, it is not necessary that there should be an oral communication, or there should be an written communication. Even through a symbol also we can make an communication. Yes or no? So use of words as well as symbols, directions some. Yes or no? ಆರಾಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes or no? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ okay, you will comes to know that ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕು. Yes or no? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ನಿಂತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, no person will be not giving an oral communication over there. Yes or no? Use of symbols or as words. Yes or no? So communication, it is not necessary that should take place through an oral or a written. It can even through a symbols also the communication will be taking place. Yes or no? Characteristics are the two or more person required for the communication. In communication there will be exchange of ideas, and mutual understanding means how the communicator is communicating in the same way the receiver should receive and he should give a reply to that one. Direct and indirect communication. Direct communication means face-to-face communication. Indirect communication means through a letters or through on a phone call. Next one is in a continuous process. Communication is in a continuous process. The communicator will communicate, receiver will receive, he will understand, and he will give a feedback. Next is an use of words as well as a symbols. The communication, it is not necessary that the communication should take place through a oral or through a written. Even through a symbols or through actions, we can communicate with a receiver. Is it clear? Clear, I think? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. So, how you people are making the notes of that one or not?